When you go into your grocery store and you look down those aisles, if it's in a can, our machine is putting that end on it.
Yeah, so when you buy a machine from Pneumatic Scale Angelus, it's not a one and done deal, right? You're gonna have that piece of equipment you could have it for decades. So the life cycle support that goes with buying a piece of equipment from us includes all the spare parts. It includes all of the service from our field service team. It includes our in-house engineering team that is available to help answer any questions. They'll work with you if you have new applications that need to be evaluated to see if they can run on the machines. The machines we build are highly complex. There are a lot of moving parts. They run for a long time, but because of that, they do use parts, right? So the exchange kits have evolved over the last 10 years. Customers traditionally would have to remove those existing or old spindles and lifters in the field. They would have to take them to a shop or on a bench, disassemble them, clean them. So we rebuild all the used assemblies, and then we box them up. It gets sent to the customer. They don't have to disassemble them or do anything with them other than put the rebuilt one that we sent in the kit on the machine, and the used one goes back in the same box that we shipped it. It's been a really big success with our customers. We have our Angelus University for our can seamers. That is a program that has been around for decades. It's well known around the world that if you've gone to Angelus University, you have received quality training on a can seamer. We take pride in taking care of our customers. There's a history, there's a legacy, because we have been around for so many years. We're all part of a much larger entity that represents quality and represents commitment to people and our customers.